A pruning saw isn't complicated. It's a blade with teeth. But the difference between a saw that glides through a 6-inch limb in seconds and one that binds, jumps, and leaves a ragged stub comes down to metallurgy, tooth geometry, and handle design. I've spent days analyzing thousands of user reviews, professional arborist forums, and manufacturer specifications to find the 5 best pruning saws on the market today. Whether you're clearing trail, maintaining an orchard, or just tidying up the backyard, the right saw makes you faster. Let's cut through the noise. The REXBETI is a no-nonsense, heavy-duty folding saw built for serious work. Its SK5 high-carbon steel blade is a legitimate upgrade from budget steel, offering better edge retention and resistance to bending. The 11-inch blade with 7 teeth per inch staggered configuration is aggressive enough to rip through 6 to 7-inch diameter branches quickly, yet the tooth geometry is forgiving enough for greenwood without constant binding. The rubber-coated polymer handle is generously sized and comfortable even with gloved hands, though larger-handed users will appreciate the extra real estate. The blade lock is secure, but the mechanism feels utilitarian rather than refined. This is the best value for performance folding saw for the serious homeowner, landscaper, or trail maintainer. The Forester Platinum is a fixed-blade specialist tool, not a pocket-friendly folder. Its 13-inch SK4 high-carbon steel blade is chrome-plated and impulse-hardened, delivering exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. The 6.5 TPI non-set teeth are taper-ground, meaning each tooth is precision-shaped rather than bent outward. This results in an exceptionally smooth, aggressive cut with less friction and binding than stamped teeth. The included scabbard is functional but basic. This is a pure cutting instrument, no frills, no folding mechanism to fail. This is the saw for the dedicated arborist, homesteader, or serious off-grid user who needs a reliable, full-length blade that will perform season after season. The PrunePro distinguishes itself with a genuine innovation: 3 adjustable locking angles. This feature allows the blade to lock at different positions relative to the handle, providing significant ergonomic advantage when cutting in awkward, overhead, or tight spaces. The SK5 steel blade with triple-cut tooth geometry is aggressive and efficient. The pocket-sized foldability and hanging hole make it exceptionally portable. The trade-off is that the adjustable mechanism introduces potential failure points over a rigid folder. It's also slightly heavier than a comparable single-position saw. This is the ideal saw for arborists, landscapers, and gardeners who work in varied positions. Silky is the benchmark in premium pruning saws, and the GomBoy Kuro exemplifies why. The 240mm blade features Silky's legendary impulse-hardened, taper-ground teeth with the proprietary Gokai Mi-scraper-shaped tooth profile. This isn't marketing, this is metallurgical science. The teeth are hardened to cut through wood fibers like butter, while the non-hardened body remains flexible to prevent breakage. The 6.8 TPI configuration cuts aggressively on both push and pull strokes, though the pull stroke is where Silky saws truly excel. The Arbor composite grip is warm, rigid, and ergonomically superior. The black oxide coating provides exceptional rust resistance. The price is premium. This is the saw you buy when you want the absolute best cutting experience and are willing to pay for it. It's the choice of professional arborists and serious enthusiasts who understand that a superior blade saves time, fatigue, and frustration. The RUITOOL takes a fundamentally different approach: a single, ergonomic handle that accepts multiple interchangeable blades. This 5-blade kit includes configurations for drywall, coarse wood cutting, and fine finish work. The SK5 steel blades are genuinely high quality, and hold an edge well. The textured anti-slip quick change mechanism is secure and genuinely tool-free. This system is exceptionally space-efficient for backpacking, campers, or anyone with limited storage. The compromise is that no single blade is as optimized as a dedicated pruning saw's blade. The pruning blade is competent, but it doesn't match the Silky's tooth geometry or the Forester's impulse hardening. This is the perfect solution for the ultralight backpacker, van lifer, or casual user who needs one handle and a compact kit for diverse cutting tasks.